Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Illustrator export presets for social media step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Create a new document or open an existing project. Navigate to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Click on Export as to open the Export dialog box. In the dialog box, choose the desired file format for social media, such as JPEG or PNG. Select the location on your computer where you want to save the file. Before exporting, click on the Use Artboards checkbox if you want to export specific artboards. Click on Export to proceed. A new dialog box will appear with export options for your chosen file format. Set the desired resolution, typically 72 ppi for social media. Adjust the quality settings based on your needs, especially if exporting to JPEG. For PNG formats, decide if you need a transparent background. After configuring the settings, click OK to finalize the export. Instead of repeating this process each time, let's save these settings as a preset. Navigate back to the File menu. Select Export, then choose Export for Screens for more options. In the Artboards section, you can choose which artboards to export. In the Formats section, click on the plus button to add a new preset. Name the preset to easily identify it later, such as Social Media Export. Select your previously configured settings for the new preset. Click Save to finalize the preset creation. To use your preset in the future, simply go back to Export for Screens. Select your saved preset from the list before exporting your artboards. This will streamline the process and make exporting for social media much more efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.